Sir, what are you doing here?
Why are you recording police cars leaving the station? Are you planning something?
Tell me what it says. Tell me, who are you? Who are you? Don't come up to me. Don't come up to me because I will defend myself. Move away from me. Move away from me. Because you're too close. You're in my space. Now move away. I will tell you one more time. Move away from me.
It sounds like you're being threatened.
Move away. You, section 5. That's what you're doing. You are threatening, alarming and distressing me. So go away.
What are you doing?
Do you understand? Do you understand?
I understand.
Move away.
From the very beginning of this interaction, the officer's behavior quickly shifts from simple questioning to outright intimidation. Instead of respecting the auditor's right to remain silent, the officer becomes visibly frustrated and aggressive. There is no lawful reason to stop or detain the auditor, yet the officer chooses confrontation over professionalism, setting the tone for an encounter driven by ego rather than law.
I don't need to move away.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
You're in my space. Move away.
Why are you recording police
Move
cars?
away. Move away from me.
Sir, what are you doing
Move away from me.
What are you doing
Move away from me.
Sir, I'm asking you
Move
kindly.
away from me. Listen, and I'm telling you to
what are you doing
move away
in front of
from
the police
me.
station?
Move away from me.
Sir, what are you doing
Move
here?
away.
I'm not going to move. I'm in front of the police station. I'm in
I
a
don't
public
care.
space.
Yeah,
I
you're in
do
my
not-
space.
No, I'm in a public
You've
domain.
walked right up to me. You've walked
I'm
right.
asking you.
Yeah.
I'm
How would you like
asking
if I walked right up into your face?
You can walk up.
Yeah.
There you go.
And what?
There you go.
The officer repeatedly invades the auditor's personal space, stepping directly into his face. This creates an environment of coercion and control rather than lawful engagement. When the auditor calmly asks the officer to back away, the officer refuses. He continues pressing forward, forcing the auditor to physically move him away just to maintain basic personal safety.
What's your name, sir?
Go away.
What's your name?
Go away.
What are you doing
Go
here?
away. Look
Why
at
are
you.
you recording
Look
these
at you.
vehicles?
Look at you.
Sir.
Don't step close to me. Don't
Sir.
step close. Don't step close. Don't step close
Sir,
to
stop
me.
pushing me.
Listen, don't step close to me.
I'm not stepping
You
close to you. I'm
are.
asking you a
You're on
question.
camera.
I'm
You're on
asking you
camera.
a
Stop
question.
lying.
I'm asking you a question.
Don't step
What
close
are you
to me.
doing
Who
here?
are you?
My name's Stefan Astaz. I'm a police officer.
Get your warrant card out and show me.
I have done that already.
Show me again. I didn't see
I
it. You
don't-
was too close to me.
Well, I've showed you
No,
already.
you didn't move.
Here's where the situation becomes truly disturbing. After initiating the confrontation, invading personal space, and refusing to back off, the officer suddenly claims that he feels threatened. He flips the narrative, accusing the auditor of aggression. This is a classic abuse of authority, provoking a reaction, then using that reaction to justify further police action.
Yes, I did.
You're recording
I don't care.
it. We're not
Yes, I
going to
did.
allow you to record our
Oh, well, go away then.
No, you go away.
I'm not going
Why are
anywhere.
you recording? Why are you here?
Don't ask me questions.
Are you well, sir?
Don't ask
Are
me
you
questions.
mentally
Don't
unwell?
ask me questions. I said go away. You're harassing me now.
I'm not
you
harassing you. I'm
Section
asking
5, you're harassing me. You're causing me
asking you a
alarm
simple
and
question.
distress. Now go away.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm asking a simple
You're sorry to hear
question.
that. So
Yes.
you like committing offences, do you?
I'm not committing any
Yes, you are.
offences.
You've stepped right in front of me. You're causing me a Section 5,
What's a Section
a
5?
Public Order Act.
What do you
Section 5 of the Public Order Act. You are causing me alarm, harassment and distress. Now go away.
Legally, the officer's behavior crosses the line into misconduct. Under Section 5 of the Public Order Act 1986, it is an offense to engage in threatening, abusive, or disorderly behavior that causes harassment, alarm, or distress. Invading personal space, provoking conflict, and refusing to disengage is precisely the type of conduct this law was designed to prevent.
I don't need to go away. I'm asking you. I'm asking
Are you
what
detaining me? Are you detaining me?
Not yet.
Not yet. Not at all. Get out of here.
You can't
Get
record
out of here.
police
So
cars.
you touch
can't
me and
do
that's
that.
an assault. Of course I can do what I want.
Sir,
Don't
please
just
stop.
go away from me.
Sir, I'm asking you
Shut
nicely
up.
to stop.
I don't care if
recording.
you're asking me lightly, and I won't
Okay.
stop recording.
Then
No.
tell me why you recording.
No, I'm not going to tell you nothing.
Why are you recording?
Stop recording.
Hey, that's an assault.
Stop recording. You're under
That's
arrest.
assault.
Stop
Under
recording.
arrest for what?
Give me your hands.
Hold
Give me
on
that.
a second. Hold on a second. You know what? She just assaulted me. You're probably assaulted me.
What's happening?
It's on camera. It's okay. It's okay. It's on camera.
The officer attempts to justify his behavior by stating, "I'm in front of a police station, I'm in a public space." In doing so, he completely destroys his own argument. If being in a public space gives him the right to stand there, it gives the auditor the exact same right. This exposes a blatant double standard rooted in control, not law.
My camera was snatched from the tripod and the filming was stopped. If you could hear, the female plainclothes police officer said you are under arrest.
That's an assault. That's assault. Under arrest for what?
I did not know why she decided to arrest me, but I know she had assaulted me by twisting my arm behind my back. She was the one that also grabbed the phone from the tripod. I was then held again with my hands behind my back by the 2 officers who had exited the car. About 5 other officers came out and stood in front of me. I was held like this for about 5 minutes. During this time there was a big huddle and many officers were saying he's an auditor. It was after about 5 minutes I was handed back my phone by one of the officers. I then switched it back on and started to film.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Right. I don't know what's happened.
Okay.
So my name is Sergeant Robertson.
Yep.
I'm currently the section sergeant responsible for the emergency response team at this current time.
Okay.
I was aware that you wish to make a complaint. You've been asked to wait inside the front office until one of the public access officers could speak to you and arrange whatever you needed to be done and dealt with. And if you needed to speak to a sergeant for that to be done.
Okay.
I understand something since has happened. I don't really know what. I'm trying to ascertain what has happened.
Okay.
Okay. But I can see the officers that were initially involved from CID are no longer here.
Okay.
So I need to find out who they are and what their account is.
The issue was never public space, it was the camera. Rather than admit he has no authority to stop lawful filming, the officer resorts to intimidation and hypocrisy. Recording in public is legal, and instead of respecting that fact, the officer attempts to bully the auditor into compliance through pressure and aggression.
If I can ask you to wait back in the front office at this moment in time, I will try to find someone to come and promptly deal with your complaint, as I believe it is.
No, that's a separate complaint.
Okay.
I want them to. No, I need them to be charged.
So if you wish for them to be, and a further complaint to be made, that can be done and dealt with, but I need the time to identify who they were and what's happened.
Okay, so let me
literally just come down to find out.
So let me just say this, Sergeant. I've just been stood there with my hands behind my back.
Okay.
Yeah. Technically under arrest.
Okay.
Yeah.
As in, have you been told you are under arrest?
I'm sure that's what the woman said. Yeah.
Which woman, sorry?
The one that assaulted me.
CID?
I don't know where she is. She was in. She was plainclothes.
Right.
Under Section 2 of PACE, officers exercising police powers must identify themselves and allow a reasonable opportunity for their identity to be verified. The auditor states the officer was too close to clearly see the warrant card, giving him every right to request it again. The officer's refusal raises serious concerns and undermines transparency and accountability.
Right. I'm sure that's what she said. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been held by 2 police officers, because if I wasn't under arrest or detained, either one of them, then they'd have had no right to. One second. Yeah, I would have had no right for them to be holding on to me, first and foremost, because that would have been an assault, because I wouldn't have been detained and I wouldn't have been under arrest. So therefore somebody's assaulted me if that's not the case, right? Firstly. Secondly, I want to know why everybody's disappeared and nobody's telling me with a bit of paper who these people were. Because the guys that was holding me didn't identify themselves. The 2 that went off, I think the woman identified herself initially in the beginning.
Right.
Yeah, I can't remember what her name is, probably on thing, but the guy didn't. He said he's not going to identify, something like that.
Even more alarming, the officer appears unaware of what Section 5 of the Public Order Act actually is, a fundamental piece of legislation in public order policing. This raises serious questions about training and competence. Officers are expected to understand the laws they enforce, especially in confrontational public encounters like this one.
And so I don't know who they are. Okay. So I need some paperwork.
So this bit of paper
No, don't worry about this bit of paper. This has got nothing to do with this particular thing. This is my initial complaint. Yeah? So I had business to be near. First and foremost, let me just say that. They came out and they was asking me, what am I doing filming? I'm in a public place, I can film. I don't need, right, and I don't need to answer them. I don't need to account for myself being here to them who, I don't know who they are, in plainclothes people. They could be random people, right? They could be random people.
The situation escalates into outright illegality. The officer smacks the camera and twists the auditor's arm. Under Section 3 of the Criminal Law Act 1967, force must be necessary, reasonable, and proportionate. No crime had been committed. This action meets the definition of common assault under Section 39 of the Criminal Justice Act 1988.
Secondly, the guy, stood up to me, and I'm just going to step towards you, Sergeant. This is not in an aggressive manner. We're standing quite a distance from each other. This guy kept on standing up to me this close, and it's on my film, and if not closer. We're the same.
So you felt it provocative?
No, he caused me to be alarmed, harassed, and distressed. Not only did he cause that, I told him, that is what he's doing.
The officer then declares an arrest without stating a clear offense. Under Section 24 of PACE, arrests must be necessary and lawful, and the reason must be clearly communicated. This did not happen. Declaring an arrest and then abandoning the auditor raises the possibility of false imprisonment, a serious civil rights violation.
You will have this on your recording.
It will be on my recording.
Are you happy to provide that, for that to be reviewed?
Only if they're getting charged.
Well, a sergeant would need to review that prior to. We can't just charge someone without evidence. As I'm sure you can understand.
All right.
That would be.
I'll provide it via Axon.
That's fine.
Yeah,
you can send you an Axon.
Send me an Axon. I'll
be reviewed, and a decision can be made if there was any unlawful use of force or anything that needs to be dealt with. I can't deal with that right now.
I know you can't.
Okay, well, I'm trying to assist you.
But I need to know who they are.
If you can just step back inside to the station office, I will. As I said, I've not been here when they're here. I need to go back in and find out who they are. That's a reasonable thing, if you can understand. And then I'll come down and make sure that you provided those details, and that a sergeant comes down
and some paperwork.
If you require paperwork, you'll be provided with it.
I need
even if it's as basic as who those officers details.
Well, I need a cab number at least, because the cab would have been.
Won't be created on this circumstance because
Why not?
It's not a call to police. It's something that's happened in the front office, so we don't need a cab number. It can be managed by us on our systems.
It later emerges that these were CID officers, plainclothes detectives. While they hold full police powers, they are still bound by the same laws, ethics, and procedures. Their decision to leave the scene after using force and declaring an arrest strongly suggests they knew they had overstepped and wanted to avoid accountability.
So if there's anything, if we put on like a crime report or an intelligence report, then you can be provided with that reference.
Okay.
Well, regardless.
But I want a criminal action against these two.
As I said,
I'm not going to go in there and film if anybody's in that lobby.
If you can wait here, take a seat inside. It's entirely up to you. Now, it is recorded on CCTV inside the front office for your own safety.
I didn't cause no disturbance in there. I was out here.
Well, I'll have a look see if there's anyone inside for you to talk to. There's no one in here at the time.
Okay, cool.
So if you're happy to come in, take a seat.
So this is the foyer inside. Wow. What kind of nonsense just happened?
When the sergeant later confirms that filming in public is legal, it exposes the core issue. Either the officers didn't know the law, or they chose to ignore it. If this incident hadn't been recorded, it could have been buried. This case highlights why public accountability matters and why lawful recording protects everyone.